Hello everyone, welcome back to the online lecture of Dr. D.Y. Patil Center for Management and Research. This is Professor Sneha More. Today we are going to learn about Unit 1 Fundamentals of OB, that is Part 3. Today we are going to learn the Emotional Competence Framework. There are two types of competence framework. First is the personal competence and second one is the social competence. In the personal competence, there is a self-awareness, self-regulation, and motivations things. Personal competence means how we manage ourselves, and the social competence is how we handle relationships. In the personal competence, knowing one's internal states, preference, resources, and intuition are the self-awareness. For example, emotional awareness, accurate self-assessment, and third one is self-confidence are the self-awareness. In the social competence, empathy is important. Awareness of others' feelings, needs, and concerns are the empathy. Means understanding others, developing others, service orientation, leveraging diversity, political awareness. In the personal competence of self-regulation is managing one's internal states, impulses, and resources. Means self-control, trustworthiness, consciousness, adaptability, innovations are the important thing in the self-regulation. We can improve self-regulation by improve these things. Then social skills. In the social competence, social skills are very important. Means adaptness at including desirable responses in others, means influence others, communication, conflict management, leadership, change catalyst, building bonds, collaboration and cooperation, and team capabilities are the social skills. Then benefits of emotional intelligence. There are many benefits to emotional intelligence, but here are just a few. First one is it allows for better teamwork. Means the teams with emotionally intelligent members are great at working together. They have a good communication, trust each other, and value each other's input. When someone makes a suggestion, they are able to respond in a positive and productive way. So teamwork is better. And second, you can deal with change. Means not many people like change, but emotional intelligence gives you the tools you need to deal with any change that comes your way. In the workplace, many people often face change with a negative attitude and crossed arms, but an emotionally intelligent person will be much more positive, can inspire other team members to feel the same way. Then third one is you can handle those tough conversations. Means whether it's an angry customer or an upset employee, difficult conversation can stir up all sorts of emotions. If you have the right skill, you can handle those conversations by emotionally connecting with the other person before finding a resolution. Then next one is it's an essential people skill. Means emotional intelligence allows you to quickly build trust with people as well as a rapport. You will be able to understand their feelings and empathize with them, and fantastic for any role that involves working in teams. And fifth one is it's a key feature of a strong leader. Great leaders understand people. They know how they work, how to influence them, and how to inspire them. Emotional intelligence will help you to achieve this understanding in order to be a brilliant leader and guide your team in the right direction. That is the feature of strong leader. Then the difference between EQ and IQ. EQ means emotional intelligence, emotional quotient, and IQ means intelligence quotient. Definition of EQ: emotional quotient or emotional intelligence is the ability to identify, assess, and control the emotions of oneself, of others, and groups. And in the IQ definition, intelligence quotient IQ is a score derived from one of several standardized tests designed to assess intelligence. The ability of EQ means to identify, to evaluate, to control, and to express emotions, one's own emotions, to perceive and to assess others' emotions. Use emotions to facilitate thinking, understand emotional meanings. And in the IQ, ability to learn, to understand, and apply information to skill. It's logical reasoning, word comprehension, math skill, abstract, and spatial thinking, filter irrelevant information. In the EQ, in the workplace, at teamwork means a teamwork, leadership, successful relations, service orientation, initiative, and collaboration. And in the IQ, success with challenging tasks, ability to analyze and connect the dots, research, and development. How to identify EQ and IQ? In the EQ, leaders, team players, individuals who best work alone, individuals with social challenges. And in the IQ, highly capable or gifted individuals, individuals with mental challenges and special needs. Then origin. Origin of EQ in 1985, when Penny's doctoral thesis, a study of emotion, developing emotional intelligence. Popular use came in Daniel Goleman 1995 book, Emotional Intelligence, Why It Can Matter More Than IQ. And in the IQ, in 1883 English statistician Francis Galton paper, Inquiries into Human Faculty and Its Development. First application came in French psychologist Alfred Binet's 1905 test to assess school children in France. Popular tests. Popular test in EQ, Mayer, Salovey, Caruso test, emotion-based problem-solving task. Daniel Goleman model score based on emotional competence. And in the IQ, Stanford Binet test, Wechsler, Woodcock, Johnson test of cognitive abilities. That's for the today. Thank you so much.